Very good morning, everyone. Jai Shri.
Jai Somnathan sir, good morning.
Please on your videos, Ramadar Bangad. How is your brother Krishnadar? Is he eating laddus?
Fine, sir.
Same ones. Okay, please on your videos, all of you. I hope everyone are fine and doing well, right? Let me start a session with a question. Question is, why did you off your videos? Switch on your videos, switch on your videos, right? Name the political party, name the political party which is separated from the Communist Party of India. Name the political party which is separated from the Communist Party of India.
Sir, is it CPI Marxist?
Donish Mandar is correct.
Yes, sir.
You are right.
CPIMM.
It is in 1964. So both the ideologies are same. Both ideologies are same, but somehow differences were there in between, right? And shall I ask somewhat the question which is from history? It means related to the political parties only, right? The split of the INC, which has taken in the Surat session. Surat split, it is famously known as Surat split in 1907, divided the Indian National Congress into two parts, right? And what were those two parts? Already we had discussed about this, but I did not tell the year to you that time. Make it fast. Who will answer? If you answer this question, then I can say that, yeah, you are reading the textbook. And
Sir, once again tell questions.
the Congress, Indian National Congress was
Sir,
divided.
nearly 1910. Nearly 1910.
I am giving the answer. I am telling you, man, in 1909, sorry, 1907, in Surat split, INC was divided into. If you won't answer this question, shame on you.
Sir, the extremers and moderates.
Very good. Congratulations. The Congress was divided into extremists and moderates. Okay. Likewise, whatever the political parties are there even today also, right? For example, INC was divided many times, not only one time, many times. Do you know the reason behind of the division of the INC in the 1907? 1907 to you. With this small story, we'll continue the session and we'll finish the session with reforming the political parties. Okay. So the simple thing is that this Congress was started in the 1885 by the Alone, Actovey and Hume. By whom? Alone, Actovey and Hume. So why this Congress was started? Why this Congress was started? The reason behind of the starting of the Congress is, see, the policies which were introduced by the Britishers, those were arbitrary. So what is the meaning of arbitrary? Which were not at all supporting to the people, and which were completely against of the democracy. Understood? So, and one more important point is that against of these policies in India, you listen this story and try to understand the intention behind of the starting of the Congress party, right? So when the nationalist movement was rising, when the nationalist movement was started in India, nationalist movement started in India. When it was started, what was the main reason to start the nationalist movement? In 1853, when the railways were constructed, in 1853, earlier there was a communication gap. Britishers were prevailed everywhere. It means spreaded everywhere, but transportation of the India, it means a movement of the Indians, communication in between the Indians was not that much. When these railways were introduced in 1853, then what had happened that the connection between the major cities like Delhi, okay, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, likewise. So these areas people started traveling. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुंबई का बच्चा दिल्ली को गया समझो, वहां पे पूछेगा अरे काय चाललंय इथं, काय झालंय बाबा. सी देयर इज द सेम प्रॉब्लम. अरे वी आर ऑल्सो फेसिंग द सेम प्रॉब्लम विद द ब्रिटिशर्स. कमी नहीं है लोग, हम लोगों के साथ ऐसा कर रहे, तुम लोगों के साथ भी ऐसा हो रहा. So when he went to the Delhi, then he surprised by seeing the situation that, अरे यार, this is what happening here also. When he went to Calcutta, okay, Mishti Dhai, right? Calcutta famous Rasagulla. When he went to the Calcutta was the major center for the rise of nationalism. Major center. This Bengal was the major center. One of the major center was a Bengal. In every aspect you can find the Bengal. So Bengalis were, it means frontier leaders, frontier warriors like COVID warriors now. However, the COVID warriors were there. So Bengalis were frontier warriors for the independence of India, right? So when they went to the Bengal, there also they noticed that the same situation is there. यार ये लोग ब्रिटिश लोग यहाँ पे भी मतलब कि क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे भी लूटपाट चालू है. See this, ये तरुण and पृथ्वी भार्गव, their videos are off, and which is irritating me. ML Arvind Nayak. When I say you once, you have to on the videos, you have to do it. You listen the story which I'm telling to you. This is regarding Prithvi Bhargav. Yeah, next time I won't want anyone. If I find anyone's video is off, whoever it may be. Mr. Prithvi Bhargav. Mr.
Sir.
Prithvi Bhargav, are you there? Why is
Yes,
your
sir.
video is off?
Sir, my video is stuck, sir. I'm checking it.
Yeah, listen the story. Where I'm that, okay. Likewise, the Chennai and Tamil, when they went to the Tamil Nadu, there also same situation. Wherever you go, you're finding the same situation. The Britishers are looting everywhere. Fine. So we need to, it means what? The common problem for all the people. Then this movement of nationalist ideology was started in 1860s majorly. Understood? Got it clearly? So later on, slowly it was spread to the different areas. Then why this National Congress Party, ANC, was started? The story behind of the starting of the Indian National Congress, I'll tell you. When this nationalist movement was growing, people were going against stuff like some military activities, it means militant activities were taking place, revolutionary activities were taking place, right? Then the Britain government thought that something should be happen in the India to stop this movement. Right? Then these people, British people, they sent the Alone Octavian Hume, A.O. Hume. Okay, in Bombay in 1885 with 8 other members, he started a political party named Indian National Congress. And it was started with the people who, see, up to the 1905, Indian National Congress did not fight for the freedom. Let me tell you, let me give the clarity to you. Up to 1905, the Indian National Congress did not fight for the freedom. It fought only for the purpose of to change the policies in a requesting way. To change the policies in a requesting way. I'll tell you one simple story to you about this Indian National Congress up to 1905. Okay, in this, moderates and extremists both are there. Moderates and extremists both are there. So moderates were those people who wanted a change within the British government. And extremists, the people who wanted a complete change, like radicals. Like radicals, they wanted to remove the Britishers from the India. Listen this story, okay? Then here it is a problem with this moderates. What moderates used to do, for example, Ramadar Bangad is a Britisher, is a British government, is ruling the British government, right? Donish Vandan Naik is a moderate. What he'll do that? He'll go to the people. He'll go to the people, right? For example, Bengali streets or wherever, not only the Bengal and everywhere, wherever they were actively participating. He used to go to the people and what are your problems, and he used to write the letter to Ramadar Bangad. Respected sir, please solve our problems. These are the problems which we are having. Okay. So Donish Vandan Naik, Prithvi Bhargav, your video is off. Last warning to you. And don't blame me for
Sir, camera is not working properly.
Now listen the story here. Donish Vandan written the letter. Who is Donish Vandan? He is a moderate person. He written the letter. Ramadar Bangad. Okay. He did not answer once, twice, thrice. Again and again he written the letter. Right? What these people used to do that? Just writing the letter, not more than that. Once what happened, these people got irritated and went to London. Right? जाके पूछा, हमने आपको उत्तर लिखा, आपने हमें जवाब नहीं दिया, हमें letter you did not answer me. Why? Then they replied that नहीं देंगे आंसर, क्या करोगे? फिर से लिखेंगे. Again we'll write the letter. So this is what the moderate philosophy. The extremists were got irritated by this philosophy that these people are not going to get any kind of change. Okay, and these even the people also they got irritated that why these people are not doing anything. Simply, whatever the faith was there on the moderates, it was decreasing day by day, and slowly the Gopala Krishna Gokhale, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, these people were becoming more fame because of the extremist ideology. Because of the extremist ideology. Got it clearly? Are you getting my point here? So in this way, what happened that the ideologies between these extremists and the moderates people were completely different. These people, see, when Bengal in 1903, the plan was going on to divide the Bengal. In 1903, Lord Curzon, in 1903, Lord Curzon, he planned to divide the Bengal. He gave the reason that administrative purpose, this Bengal is very big and we cannot rule. And almost all 1/3 of the population of the India was resided in the Bengal itself. 1/3. To some extent, we can say that this point is correct, but we cannot say that completely this point is correct. Got it clearly. So then here, what had happened? When this see, the major intention is that these Hindus and Muslims were united and they were fighting like anything against of these Britishers, right? And especially in the Bengal region, the east part of the Bengal region, most of the population is Muslims, and West Pakistan, most of the population was Hindus. Then Lord Curzon decided that we need to divide and rule policy here. Here, divide and rules policy is implemented. They divided the Bengal into two parts in 1905, East Bengal and West Bengal. The actual reason they given that it is very big and to rule it properly. So what we are doing that we are dividing the East Bengal and the West Bengal. West Bengal like Odisha, these areas comes under the West Bengal that time. And in East Bengal, Assam and this present day Bangladesh is there. No, those comes under the East Bengal. Got it clearly. Then INC people who were there, they started fighting against of that. The boycott movement was started. Vande Mataram movement was started early in the morning, 4 o'clock. Okay, these extremist people, they made a plan to, it means to generate the nationalist ideology. They started singing the Vande Mataram. Okay, and this one more song. I've forgotten that. What is the name of that song? Vande Mataram and. Okay, there is a one more thing. Not Janagana Mana. Okay, there is a one more other song was there, right? It's an anthem. Janagana Mana, it's an anthem, right? It's a national anthem. It is not a song. Here there is one more song. Likewise, whenever the people they used to hear this Vande Mataram song, their blood used to boil. कुछ करना है देश के लिए चलो Udo. So most of the young people, young generations, right? They were getting influenced by this, and they started involving in this movement, and they started the boycott movement of the foreign goods, whatever the foreign products they were using, and they boycotted, right? Picketed wine shops. Who is this 100010028? I don't know. Jetcharla 1000028. Right. I hope you understood that point here. Then what happened? This movement was going in the Bengal, the Swadeshi movement was going in the Bengal, the extremist people, these people, they thought that this is the correct time. This is the correct time. Are you getting my point? This is the correct time. For what purpose the correct time? This is the correct time to spread this movement throughout the India. Extremists thought that ब्रिटिशों को भगाते यहाँ से पूरे भारत में आंदोलन चलाएंगे, ब्रिटिशों के खिलाफ में हम लोग जाएंगे. On your videos, Govardhan Datta, okay, AC2039. And don't disturb the session. Prithvi Bhargav, still your video is off.
Sir, video camera is not proper set. Tomorrow I will set up new one.
Now listen the point here. When these people, extremist people, wanted to listen this point very carefully. Mr. Harshit Reddy, your camera also, right? AB4748. Here, when this movement they wanted to, it means they wanted to spread this movement even throughout the India. Then moderates said that the problem is only in the Bengal. Then we'll go against of the Britishers only in the Bengal. We should not. It means spread this movement. We will not spread this movement. Okay, throughout the India. Then there was a problem had taken place in 1905. The problem was started in 1906. Once they wanted to divide, but Gopalakrishna Gokhale was the person he stopped. Then again 1907 in the Surat session, right? In the Surat session of the Congress, what had happened that in Surat session 1907 in the Surat session, what had happened that these people, they fought. The police has come, they control the extremists and moderates. Then in the Surat session of the Congress, this Congress party was divided into, okay, extremists and moderates. The present day is a split of the Congress. It is not that much important. But why I'm telling to you, this is what very important, which given the shape to the Indian national movement, it was a Congress party, right? And this gave the birth. The 1905, the movement gave the birth in 1906, the Muslim League Party, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Okay, Jinnah, do you know Jinnah? Muhammad Ali Jinnah, right? He started who was the leader, and along with some of the West Bengalis, 2 West Bengalis were there. I don't know their names, I have forgotten their names. They started a political party, Muslim League Party. Earlier, this INC was called as a Hindu party. Okay, this is the story of the Indian National Congress somewhat. I hope you understood little bit thing. And later on, some ideologies of this. What ideologies? In 1925, there is one more political party, socialist ideologies. Ideologies with this Marxism, Leninism, right? So these ideologies, the political party was started. It was Communist Party of India in 1925. Are you getting or not? So we are speaking about the national level political parties, the criteria to become a national level political party. What is the criteria to become a national level political party?
6% total vote from Lok Sabha and vote is from the 4 different states.
Okay. Right. Here there is one student who has prepared the PPT very nicely. I think it is helpful to us. To understand the things here, political parties, we have discussed already the leaders, okay, the components of the political parties, active members and the followers, they influence the political party. Why the necessity it is completed, functions of political party, contesting elections, making the policies, making new laws, okay, formation of government, playing opposition role, shaping public opinion, whatever the public says, that whatever the issues are there, public issues, they are shaping on public opinion and taking to the government. It is a duty of the political party. For example, now you take the Amaravati issue is there in the Andhra Pradesh. The people are having some problems with the capital city, the capital of Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati. It means divided into three parts. Then there is the problem. The political parties are taking in a different way, right? And access to government machinery and welfare schemes. So this is another seventh one. The functions, the work of the political party, access to government machinery. Whatever the government machineries are there, welfare schemes are there. Access means reachable, right? So different political party system. We have spoken one party system. Even China as an example. USA and UK two-party system, right? Only two parties. Here multi-party system. Are you getting my voice?
Sir, it is getting.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you're audible.
Audible.
Right. Here, 1 second. I'll actually I'll share the screen for you. So that you can understand the things. Epalli Jitendra Reddy. Here there is a student, I don't know from which school, right? She prepared, she or he, I don't know that. Prepared this PPT, which is very good. I felt it's good. I think it's helpful to you. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So here, yeah, Gautam, someone. I don't know from where is she. When I was searching for that, then I found this. Then, so simple thing here, what are political parties? What do they do that? What are the components, leaders, active members, and the followers? We discussed all these things, right? Necessity of the political party. What is the necessity? Why the importance of the political party? And what political parties will do actually. So they contest in the elections, they make the policies, right? They form the policies, whatever the policies are there, and making laws, whatever the laws are required in the assemblies, in the parliament, they make the laws. We have spoken about this already. Formation of government, they form the government, the coalition government, right? We have spoken about that coalition government. Even we have conducted the elections in our school campus, right? I hope so. You experienced it, and you have participated in that elections. Have you participated? I think most of you have participated.
Yes, sir,
Playing opposition roles. So what is opposition, right? And shaping public opinion, whatever the public opinion, access to government machinery, all these things were completed. Different party systems, one party system. China, only Communist Party is allowed to rule, and in some countries power is shared between two main parties. This is what about two party system. UK and USA both are examples, right? And multi-party system, India is the best example. More than 2,598 recognized political parties are there. How many? 2,598 political recognized parties are there. And the two-party system, multi-party system, the difference between the two-party system and the multi-party system. If you want, you can take the screenshots of them also. It's not an issue. You can get it from the internet. You can. So national parties, what are national parties? Okay. Here you can see there are many national political parties are there. Now at present 8 national parties are there. Then this they have shown only 6. So it is 2016 September 2014 report it is. Now it is 2020 September 21. So state parties, what are state parties? Many state parties are there. You can see here the criteria to become the national level party and state level party. These are both are important, right? So state level political parties, many, almost more than 57 challenges to a political party. Before going to the challenges to a political party, I want to tell you a few things. Share your list of political parties is there, no? Here some national level political parties are there. We have spoken about that INC, Indian National Congress. I told the story to you. And Indian Trinamool Congress, even which is divided from the Congress only, Indian National Congress. All India Trinamool Congress it is called, is especially in the Bengal. Now present Mamata Banerjee is a supremo of this political party, and Bahujan Samaj Party, it is BSP in the UP. Kanshiram was started, especially for these BCs, SCs and STs, right? And these people are representing these all. And even it was formed the government in Uttar Pradesh, Bharatiya Janata Party. It was separated from the Janasangh. Sorry, it is separated from the Janata Party and started the Janasangh. And Janasangh was started by Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. After that, led by the Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Got it? L.K. Advani and Bharat Singh Shekhawat. These are the people, prominent people. Jagprakash Nadda, present supremo of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And Communist Party of India, I told the story of this one about this. The present supremo is D. Raja, right? 1925. And after that, the ideologies were changed and the Communist Party of India was started in 1964. 64, it is Sitaram Yechuri. Sitaram Yechuri, right? Jyoti Basu. Almost 30 to 34 years, they ruled this, Bengal. Pachim Bengal in the government continuously. Jyoti Basu got a record, worldwide record. No state as CM for that much longer period of time. And Indian National Congress, we have spoken about that. Alon Actovin Hume, Dadabhai Naoroji Dinsha, Vachap, okay, and Umesh Chandra Banerjee. These are, need not to remember those all names, just you remember INC and who is the Supremo. Sonia Gandhi, in which year it was started. What is the motto of this Congress party? What is the motto of the Congress party? It is a centrist party and it is a leftist party, which is Communist Party of India is a leftist party. Communist Party of India, a leftist party, and Marxist also leftist party. Communist Party of India's Supremo is D. Raja, and Communist Party of India Marxist is Sitaram Yechuri, right? Here it is Sonia Gandhi of INC and Sharad Pawar. It is in Maharashtra, especially Sharad. It is separated from the INC again. We are running short on time. Nationalist Congress Party, NCP, 1999. This is also important party, one of the important party. This is the only reason to form the government in the Maharashtra by this Shiv Sena party at present time. National People's Party. It is in Manipur, PA Sangma. Okay, Konrad Sangma, National People's Party. The book is the symbol. These symbols are important. There is a chance to ask the symbols in the examination. Do remember their ideology. Head office There is a less chance to ask in the examination. The party symbol, their ideology, they'll ask. Party symbol, their ideology, in which year they started, and chronological order also there is a chance to ask. State level parties are 52 recognized state parties are there. You can see Aam Aadmi Party and their symbol. All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kajagam. These parties symbols, All India Forward Bloc, Majlis-e Ittihadul Muslimin. MIM party is there, no? Asaduddin Owaisi in Telangana. It is also state level political party. It has 3 seats in Bihar and Maharashtra. 1 seat is there, Waris Pathan. All India NR Congress. So somewhat important here. Assam Gana Parishad, this is what very important party. Assam Gana Parishad, which is the reason for the NRP and NRC. This is the political party, one of the major political party. AGP in 1985. Biju Janata Dal, Navin Patnaik in Odisha. It is also important. He is a BTech civil engineer or mechanical engineer. I don't know, but he did a BTech in foreign. This Indian National Lok Dal, some of the important political parties. Jammu and Kashmir Indian National Panthers Party. 3 political parties are having the cycle symbol. One is in Jammu and Kashmir, one is in UP, and one is in Telangana, Telugu Desam, Andhra Pradesh. Right? TDP is not there in Telangana. Almost it has vacated its seats from all the places. Janata Dal, these are Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. And here this
Ration card la Ayushman Bharat.
and this is Samajwadi Party. This is what I'm speaking about. Akhilesh Yadav. Okay. Telangana Rashtra Samiti Telangana. Again the Telugu Desam Party cycle. The YSR Congress Party is a fan. Zoram National Party in 1997. Lalbhama Mizoram. Right, there are another many parties are there. And coming to here. Now this point is very important here. There are many political parties are there, but see, political parties are dominated by money power, muscle power. Are you getting or not? Money power, muscle power. See, lack of internal democracy, money power, muscle power, lack of meaningful choices, lack of internal democracy. See, your internal democracy, if Raja ka beta Raja hoga, according to this, Raja ka beta Raja hoga. Raja wo nahi hoga jo kabil hai. Are you getting my point? Are you there? Are you there? For example, Kritik Tejas is son of one king, right? So he will become the ruler. He's prince now, he will become the ruler. Actually, Govardhan Datta is capable enough to rule the nation, to rule the country, but he is not going to become. Are you getting or not? So even in the democracy also similarly the same thing is happening. Right? You take TRS. You can take TRS. This name is Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar. Sorry, Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao. Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao's son is Mr. Taraka Ramarao Garu. NTR is NTR, and he's now next to CM is NTR only. Sorry, what is his name? NTR only. He next is he is on
ATR.
ATR, sir. ATR.
I don't want to remember these people name because I hate these people. Why I hate these people, you know, personally. Okay, this is what the platform where we should not speak negative about them, right? We should be neutral. The policies which they are bringing, completely fraud, completely fraud. We can criticize. Where is Donish? Right. Now the thing is that, see, there are many stories are there about the KTR. Now I don't want to disclose and expose those all. because many TRS lovers also maybe are there in our class, right? I'm not supporter of any political party, but when the government do any thing which is not which is not at all acceptable by the people, we can criticize. Are you getting or not? We have right to freedom of speech. We have right to freedom of speech. Article 19 of the Indian Constitution gives the right to me to speak. We can criticize. We can suggest the government. Right? Now coming to the point of here, lack of internal democracies. There is no democracy. Sonia Gandhi's son Rahul Gandhi will become the PM. Right? No democracy, internal democracy. Mr. Gordon Datta, listen properly. You take TDP party, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, his son Lokesh Babu. Okay, you can take YSRCP. His father, Jagan Mohan Reddy's father, YS Rajshekar Reddy, he was in the Congress. Later on, he has come out from that. Whole and soul, he started the political party, YS Jagan Mohan Reddy, and he went into the people nearly 10 to 11 years. Whatever the things are there on him, allegations are there, really he by exploiting the people or not, the court will decide it. We cannot comment on that. We can say also, but we cannot comment when we don't know exactly, right? Now coming to the power, the thing is that dynastic succession. This is what I'm speaking. So in that lack of internal democracy, elections are there within the political party to choose a leader. Are you getting or not? But only the BJP party, I can say that it is not having any dynastical succession. Narendra Modi is not having any son, right? And Atal Bihari Vajpayee did not have any son, right? He was in a complete celibacy, right? And he did not get married also. You don't have any son to get succeed. And Narendra Modi is also not having any son or daughter to get succeed. Are you getting or not? So these people, Yogi Adityanath, if you take next Prime Minister, Yogi Adityanath is also not having any son. So their children are the nation people. Fine. So you people need to decide that which political party is good and what it is doing. Money and muscle power. We see every political party without the money, they cannot win the elections. Without the money and muscle power. If you don't have the rowdy power, muscle power, then you are not going to win the elections. This is what going to be happen. Okay. So lack of meaningful choices. One political party leader is joining in another political party. All the TRS party members earlier were TDP members who opposed the Telangana formation. Now they are in a TRS. You see, people are not having a meaningful choices. And almost all political parties are coming with the same policies. So policy making and policy making is making the no clarity to the people also. Even people, now the present generation which is growing up, it is becoming educated and knowledgeable and wise. And the people earlier used to sell their vote only for like sentiments, for quarter and biryani, beer and biryani. Likewise, if you are giving beer and biryani, they'll come the vote. So for even 1,000 rupees, there was an advertisement I had seen that one donkey also you cannot purchase for 1,000 rupees or 500 rupees, but you can purchase a voter by giving 1,000 or 500 or 2,000. So in the democracy, see, earlier people, they did not have right to vote, right? In French Revolution, we had noticed that the people who have paid 3 days of wages, those people only got the right to vote. But nowadays, they are giving the